Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook disconnected. If you've been struggling with your Outlook showing as disconnected and unable to send or receive emails, this quick fix will help you get back online in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in and resolve this issue. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer. Once it launches, log into your account if you're not already signed in. This will load in all your emails and folders. It's important to make sure you're fully logged in before we proceed with the fix, as this ensures we're working with your active account settings. Once your email has loaded and you can see your inbox, we're going to navigate to the Send/Receive tab. You'll find this tab located on the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are displayed. Click on it to reveal additional tools and options related to sending and receiving emails. This tab is crucial for managing your email connection settings. Here's where the solution becomes surprisingly simple. This is actually a commonly overlooked issue that many Outlook users face. Under your Send/Receive tab, look carefully for a button labeled Work Offline. This button is the key to fixing your disconnected status. If this button is currently enabled, it means Outlook is intentionally working in offline mode, which is why you're seeing the disconnected message. Make sure to disable the Work Offline button by clicking on it. When you click it, the button should no longer appear highlighted or pressed in. To confirm that you've successfully fixed the Outlook disconnected issue, click on Send/Receive All Folders. This will trigger Outlook to attempt connecting to your email server. You should see a Progress tab appear at the bottom of your Outlook window that shows your folders are now syncing. This progress indicator confirms that your Outlook is online and actively communicating with the email server again. Your emails should now start coming through as normal, and there you have it. You've successfully resolved the Outlook disconnected issue by simply toggling off the Work Offline mode. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.